Okay, here's another video about, it's kind of like the payback period video, but this time we have total cash flow, but then we pay one investor and it flips around in this period. So it flips around in period number 3, but it's really period number 2. So we go to period 3 whenever the pre-flip is less than this by, might be not exact, so we better put a little margin in here. But if it's less than that, then we say, well, okay, we take this divided by this, and so this is the actual number that we have is 2 periods, and then let's say this was 0, then it would be, if this was 0, then it would be exactly 2. If this was this minus 2 or something, then it would be 0.99. All right, so all we have to do is find the period. So let's make our function to do this just like this. So function steps. So step 1. And I'm supposed to give this stupid little advertisement. Shit. I'm making all these videos. My kid is complaining, and I'm not going to stop making them. Okay? But he says you should make sure to advertise for your courses on here. Fine, I'm advertising. Is that good enough? And this is about a flip. My other videos about a flip are not quite good enough. I think I need to put one in because the taxes get a little bit trickier than I kind of showed. So we read 2 series. Now, in this video, I think that one of the steps too is just to show you how you can make a function quickly. Watch me screw it up now too. 2 is then we compare and find when series 2 is less than series 1. And we better kind of round it. Maybe we should round it to the nearest 2 decimals or something. How about even nearest decimal, 1 decimal, okay? And then in step 3, record the year or period. And then in step 4, compute the series 2 divided by series 1, and step 5, add period to factor or something like that. Okay, so let's just do the same thing. Let's make a quick macro about this. Okay, and stop recording the macro and go to developer and go to our macros. This time I think I only have it in this sheet. Edit this. So we find the macro, put function, what do we call it? Flip year. Flip period. This time we read series 1 and series 2. Okay, and they better be the same, but so num equal series 1 dot count. Okay, for I equal 1 to num, we go around and we go next I. And then as usual, we start at the end. Flip period equal period plus factor. Okay, now period is going to be period will be I minus 1 because we're gonna go too far. Whoops, no, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, and okay, so let's put if, how about if round worksheet function dot round and series 2 I is less than round series 1 I, comma 2. Did I put the round? I didn't put the. Let's put comma 1. How about let's just make it 1 decimal. That's a fair compromise. Then we're going to start our process. Then, okay, first we say, well, factor equals series 2I divided by series 1I. Whenever you do this, you don't put the stupid little if statement. If series 1 I is greater than, how about not equal to 0, then maybe, I suppose it could be negative. Okay, so we've got our factor here, and all we have to do is exit the function, exit for, and put end if. Okay, I'm not sure this will work, but shows you how to do it. So I'm gonna save this file as find flip period function. Okay, and we put no, and it better be a. I thought I automatically saved it as a macro-enabled function, but I didn't. Okay, and let's just try it. So we put equal find. No. What did I put? Flip period. So we put this one in, shift control right arrow. This one, shift control right arrow. And it didn't work. It gave us exactly 2. Well, that's because it was correct. So if this was 100,000, then it gives us 2.48. So I didn't even have to screw around. Okay, and I just, it was pretty easy to compute. Whoops, that's not what we want, is it? I'm trying to turn off the video. Another short video.